shrimp. I think it's pearl white, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pearl white.
This is a molting one.
You don't want to go. Come in that man. A little bitty one. He got off too. Let's take that.
He got off. Nice.
Yeah, I know. Perfect timing. Oh, there we go. No problem, man. Let's get you back in the water, buddy.
Those are the males, right?
Yeah, those are the males. Got him. Good one. Alright, let me get the net. Yeah, he got it. It was pretty small though. Yeah. Yeah, I gave it a net. I got it. That's a good one. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. There we go. That's a keeper for sure. There you go. Has to be at least an 18. Huh?
You.
No, I don't know. Put my rod down. Oh, you lost it? Dang it. Oh yeah, that's a good one. There you go. Another good one.
Thank you.
There you go.
That one?
I don't know. No. Maybe it came off. Whatever it was.
You have one, George?
I had a bite earlier too. I'll get the net ready. This thing's stuck. Yeah, he got one already. Nice. Just got your two. I know. There you go, another keeper. First cast, there you go. Little bitty trout. Yeah, trout. I knew it was something tiny. Yay. I think that's something good.
Huh?
Yeah, I think I got one. I think so. It's kind of weird though. Yeah. Well, he ain't coming up. That's a stingray. Yeah, it's a stingray. Gosh. No wonder it felt weird.
You want me to net him?
Got a little sheephead. That's a nice sheephead.
You net him?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice sheephead. All I threw was a little piece of shrimp this big too, look. The leftover. Heck yeah. Perfect.
You eat those?
Oh yeah, they're really good. You had them before?
Nah.
I fillet them and then just cook them, fry them. That's a nice sheephead. Oh yeah. Another one.
Yep.
Oh.
Nothing on those?
Yeah, I shouldn't have muscled them so much.
Feel like a what? Flounder?
Another little sheephead. This one's smaller.
Yeah?
Nah, he's small. A little sheephead. he pooped on your boat. He's small. Put you back in the water, buddy. Don't freak out. Little rat red. Yeah, little red. Nope. It's a croaker? No, it's whiting.
Whiting.
Yeah, it's whiting. Come on back in. Yep. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Go back, go back, go back. Let's go back. Seriously?
Yes. I just had a flounder on there too. He's off. You sure? Got one? See, I told you there was one out there. Yeah. Straight toward you. Yeah, that's a nice one. Bring it over here. I told you there was one out there. Good job, man.
Good job.
Oh, that's funny. Someone dropped their pole. Let's see if I can get it. Got a brand new pole. What you talking about? Look at that. Well, there goes your prize. Someone dropped their pole. Yeah, mine wasn't this one though.
Huh?
I said mine wasn't this one.
Let's pull that line up. I'm gonna drop it somewhere.
This one?